to start investing. Acorns Investing. Hello guys, we're going to go over how to invest just using your change. Link in the description below. Acorns help you grow your money. Invest your spare change and grow from there. There's a button that says start. You can start today using this. They have their own credit card right there. Well, it's a debit card. Your guide to financial wellness will help you invest, save, and spend responsibly for just $1, $2, or $3 per month. No surprise fees, just surprise upgrades. Invest your spare change. Set aside the leftover change from everyday purchases by turning on automatic roundup. Save for later. Get ready for later in life using Acorns Later, the easiest way to save for retirement. Grow your knowledge. Learn how to get more from money with easy to understand articles and videos from financial experts. So your money that you put in here will come from the dollars that you spend in real life. So if you spend $1 and the product was only 99 cents, the penny will go into Acorns. Security. That's strong as an oak. All your data is protected by bank level security and 256-bit encryptions. So they have bank level security on here. Spend smarter. Get the only debit card that saves and invests for you when you spend. Plus, no ATM fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance required. They have a picture and a video right here of the Acorns debit card. And this is what the app looks like. Shop, save, and invest. 350 top brands that invest in you every time you shop with them. Guys, what do you all think about this right here? Are you interested in trying Acorns? Are you interested in trying this? They're saying save more. 3 ways to get net extra $250 a month. 3 investment rules that Warren Buffett thinks everyone should use. 6 ways to grow your money without even trying. Retirement saving calculator. Are you interested in using this platform? Leave me a like, subscribe. Just let me know in the comments below what you're thinking. I'll leave a link for this website in the description too. Grow your knowledge. Original content right in your app helps you grow your money knowledge on the go. Grow your knowledge. Original content right in your app helps you grow your money knowledge on the go. Okay, guys, that is all they have on here. Link in the description below. Let me know if you're thinking about using Acorns as a way to start investing. You'll invest your change and then you'll put it into one of their funds that they have and it will actually grow. I personally use Acorns as a way to have a little investment off of my main chain. This is part of my total portfolio, all-weather portfolio. Let me know what you guys think. And I guess I'll see you all later.